Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy NFTs on Trust Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you already have your account set up, then just go ahead and open up the Trust Wallet application. You will be asked to log in either using your PIN or your biometrics. So just go ahead and log in and you will end up on the dashboard. Now from the dashboard, you can just tap on the NFT tab and this will take you to the NFTs menu. In order to buy any NFT, you will need to visit an external site which hosts these NFTs. Now just tap on Open on OpenSea.io. This will take you into OpenSea, which is an NFT marketplace where you can buy and sell NFTs. Now just scroll through the various NFTs that are available in the OpenSea market and then tap on whichever NFT you're interested in. You will be able to see the NFTs and how much they cost underneath the name of the NFT. In order to buy, you can simply tap on the Buy Now button to proceed with buying your desired NFT. You will then be asked to connect to your wallet. So if you don't see Trust Wallet, just tap on the Show More button. Now if you see the Trust Wallet, you can simply tap on it and then tap on the Connect button to proceed with buying your desired NFT. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy NFTs on Trust Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.